Hello, welcome to watch our videos on rprogramming for beginners and subscribe to this channel. In this video, we will show how to handle missing values in R. So in R, the missing values, for example, in a data frame, can be represented by the symbol NA. Both are capitalized alphabet. And usually you can use recode the values, some specified values to the new value as NA. For example, if we have read the files from CSV and some values has a value 999, so we can recode the values for the variable mathematics to the new value NA and other variables physics, chemistry, and data. And one function called is.na can be used to show if there are missing values in the variables. And in many calculations in R, there you can use na.rm, which means remove missing value when you do some function. So in this case, we calculate the sum of physics, but missing values are excluded in calculation. And in some circumstances, you want to get a new data frame without the missing value. So we can use na.omit a data frame and assign to a new data frame. So which means all the observations with missing values will be omitted. Next, we will show several examples in RStudio about missing value. So first, we load a CSV file and store in a data frame called grade. So you can see the grade is a 20 observations with 6 variables. You can use str grade to show information. To create a data frame of 20 observations with 10 variables. So next, we can recode the value with 999 to NA. Show the data frame grade again. So you can see missing value here for the date. Missing value here for the chemistry. Next, we can use is.na grade for the 7th to 10th column. So last 4 columns. Check if they are missing value. So the true means this element is missing value. True here. This is the column for the variable. So you can use some function, but with the option na.rm is true. The result is 1500. So next, we can create a new data frame called test, in which we have omitted all the missing values, have omitted all the observations with missing values. So this is the new data frame test. Now there are no missing values in any column, any observations. If you should structure of this new data frame, there is only 17 observations left with 10 variables. If you want to download the source files to practice by yourself, you can go to this link and check several source files for each section, and the video description will show each video's section number, so you can find each source files on this link. Thanks for watching.